How to track Australian tax refund via ATO app. Hi everyone, today I'll guide through how to track your Australian tax refund using ATO app on your mobile phone. It's quick, convenient, and secure. Before we begin, make sure you have a few things ready. The ATO app installed on your smartphone, a MyGov account that's linked to the ATO, your login details such as username and password, and of course, an internet connection. Start by opening the ATO app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on either My Deductions or directly on Track Your Return. If prompted, log in using your MyGov credentials to continue. After logging in, go to the main dashboard and tap on Track My Return. Here you'll be able to see the status of your current tax return. The ATO updates the sections regularly, so it's a good place to track your progress. The return status will display terms like in progress, meaning it's still being assessed. Processing, which means the ATO is calculating your refund. Issued, which means your refund has been paid, and you can also tap for more detailed updates. Once the status is marked as issued, you'll be able to see the payment date. Check that your bank account details are up to date to avoid delays. For past refunds, tap on Tax Lodgements to review your payment history. Most tax refunds are processed within 2 weeks of lodgement. Using the ATO app or MyGov is the fastest way to track your status. If you run into any issues, you can call the ATO on 132861 for help.